Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I just got today this is the BH Cosmetics. I've never gotten a palette from them before, and this is the new Stellar Collision. And these are all baked shadows. I love a good baked shadow, so I was excited for these, and I haven't seen a lot of videos and stuff like that, so I thought I would post a swatches video and everything. And this is the packaging, super pretty. And I have a set of the brushes, but I've never used the makeup. And this just says, launch to your look to luminous heights with the Stellar Collision 17 color baked eyeshadow and highlighter palette featuring an array of richly pigmented hues, star-like shimmer finishes that can be used as shadow toppers or highlighters for the ultimate celestial glow. The innovative, buttery smooth formula for face and eyes mixes layers and blends beautifully to create customized cosmic shades for the infinite gleaming effects. And it just says the same thing in French. And it doesn't have the colors of the names or anything down there. So, and it has a little mirror right here. And these are the colors, super freaking pretty. And I guess I'll just kind of do it up and down. Oh, that feels really smooth. And here is the first one. This one is kind of like it looks like pinky. It like reflects, it's kind of duochrome-y and it reflects pink. This one is kind of an orangey, pinky one. Ooh, I really love that color. That's like a peach. I'll definitely be wearing that one. And right next to there's this pretty gold color. Then I have like this cranberry-ish color. That's really pretty too. So far, these are way better than I was expecting. And then here's one of the bigger pan ones. And right underneath of those, I swatched that. I think that's supposed to be a highlighter if you want it to be. And here's another big pan, the pink. That's really pretty too. And it's not like, the glitter's like really fine, and I don't see like huge glitter chunks in here. And on the end of my hand, I have the next color, which is really pretty. I think it's just a regular beigey color. And then here we have a purple one right next to the pink on the bottom. That's really freaking pretty. And under that we have a darker purple, which is at the very bottom. Then I have that kind of violety purple. And then on the end, we have this, it looks green or blue. Oh my God, I love all these colors. I was worried I wouldn't like some of them, but they're swatching really, really good. That one's kind of a duochrome-y, like pink purplish. It's the last bigger one on the right. And then the last color looks kind of blue. And it's this one right here. And here is my hand. I'm really liking these. So I'll definitely report back on how these do. And again, here is the palette. It kind of sucks that they didn't give the names to the shadows so you can like tell which one is which, but I guess when this palette I believe was $17, but I'm impressed and I'm definitely going to be using this tomorrow. And please let me know if you've tried BH Cosmetics before, a palette, and your impressions on them. And I'll let you know what I think of this. Thanks, and remember to subscribe. Bye.